What's good at YouTube? It's your boy J Mike, and I'm back again with another video, man. And today I'm just gonna show you guys how to make the Cosmopolitan Cocktail. This is a vodka-based cocktail, and it's pretty easy to make. So you know what? Let's get straight into it. I got my shaker right here. First things first, ice. Just like 3, 4, 5 blocks, not too much. And Cosmopolitan mixer. So this is like a pre-mix, it's like pre-mixed already, so it's like good to go. Then we need like 50 mils. Actually like 60, so I'm just gonna put like a little bit more, like 10 mils. Then we're good to go. And then the vodka. So we need 50 mils of the vodka. So 50, that's like 2 shots. 50 mils. Yes, sir. Give it a quick shake. Whoa. Smells good, bro. Australia. My glass. And you're just gonna pour it straight into the glass. Okay. And last thing, some garnish just to make it look pretty, you know? So I got this orange peel, and I'm just gonna play around with it. So there you have it. This is the Cosmopolitan Cocktail. Let's taste it, man. Looks good. Cheers, guys. So make sure that you leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're new, man. I'll see you guys in the next video. You heard? Yes, sir.